I think that when we talk about two-state solutions, we are using three words and three lies. It's not two, it's not a state, it's definitely not a solution.
So what's the answer? An everlasting occupation?
First, occupation is not the word. One cannot occupy its own land. Israel is not an occupier in Israel because that's the land of Israel.
So what about Gaza?
Again,
that's the land of Israel?
Land of Israel, you cannot be occupying it. We're not occupying it from anyone.
The United States of America and Britain now has the key. If they oppose a resolution about immediate ceasefire, they will not be complicit only with this aggression. They will be a participant in these war crimes. They have to approve the ceasefire immediately because what is at stake is the life of 2.3 million people now. Half of them are children.